Today we are making peanut butter brownies. You will need 1 large pan, coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of butter, an egg, brownie mix, cookie mix, 2 large bowls, and measuring equipment.
Make sure that you melt your butter and coconut oil. And grease the pan.
Make sure you start with 30 seconds. You will need more than just 30 seconds, just start with 30 seconds at a time. Make sure that you check that the cup that the coconut oil is 1/3 cups.
First, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of water and 1 egg. And in your second bowl, put 2 tablespoons of water also, and 3 tablespoons of your melted butter for the cookie mix.
Make sure you get all the butter inside it.
Here.
Scrape out if needed. Next, whisk up the eggs until all yellow.
Put your 1/3 cup of oil in the bowl and mix. Next, take your brownie mix and dump it into the bowl with the egg and oil. Then stir.
Make sure that you get all the edges around to make sure no brownie mix is untouched.
And make sure that there's no chunks left in the beater. Get your peanut butter cookie mix and dump it in the bowl with the butter and water. And mix.
Make sure you get the edges of the bowl. The brownie mix should be a less thick consistency and very creamy consistency. And the peanut butter cookie bowl should be very thick and a little bit chunky. Make sure your oven is preheated for 350.
Dump your brownie mix in first.
Make sure you scrape all the edges off.
Make sure to smear the brownie mix around in the pan. After all spreaded, dump your peanut butter cookie dough on top.
Scrape all the edges off so you can get all the extra that you can.
Spread it out on top of the brownie mix.
And if you would like, make a design of your choice.
Finally, put it in the oven. And set the timer for 30 minutes.
After the 30 minutes, you can now take it out. Make sure you wear protection for your hands. And your brownie should look like this when it's out.
Or similar to it. Just for clarification, to make sure it's all cooked and done, get a toothpick, poke it in the middle, really quick, and if there's nothing on it, if it's clean, it's done.
Make sure you cut into evenly cut squares or rectangles.
Now you're all done. Enjoy!